Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build data science workflows with DataRobot, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, familiarize yourself with DataRobot's interface. Sign in to your DataRobot account. Once logged in, click on the New Project button located in the dashboard. In the project creation window, upload your dataset by clicking on Upload Dataset. Select the file from your computer and confirm. Next, define your target variable by selecting the appropriate column in your dataset. Click on Next to proceed to the project analysis phase. Wait for DataRobot to automatically analyze your dataset. Once analysis is finished, you will see a selection of algorithms available for modeling. Review the default settings and make adjustments if necessary. Click on Start Models to initiate the modeling process. Monitor the model training status in real time on the progress bar. After the models have finished training, examine their performance metrics. Select the best performing model based on accuracy, precision, or other relevant metrics. Once a model is chosen, you can click on Deploy to make it operational. Follow the prompts to set up the deployment settings for your selected model. After deployment, you can use the REST API for predictions or integrate directly with your applications. Finally, return to your project dashboard to manage and monitor your deployed models. Congratulations, you have successfully built a data science workflow using DataRobot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.